Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter B. We're going to be doing different tasks that help us to recognize the letter B and say the sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter B. What sound does the letter B make? B, b, b sound. And it's a bouncy sound. Shall we write letter B? Okay, we're going to start from the top, all the way down to the bottom. Then we're going back to the top. We're going to curl it around to the middle, then out again and give it another curl and all the way down to the bottom. Well done. That's the letter B. Shall we write the lowercase b, which makes the b, b sound? Again, we're going to start from the top, all the way down, halfway up and around, all the way to the bottom. Well done. That's our B sound. Can you see the letter B? Let's say the names of all the letters and then we're going to find the letter B. A, B, G. Can you point to the letter B? Well done. You found the letter B. Well done. Now again, we're going to find the letter B. Z, F, B. Can you point to the letter B? Super job, well done. Now here again, we're going to look for B sound. S, A, B. Can you point to the B sound? Great work, well done. You found the B sound. Now here we have a quiz. So we're going to look at all these letters, which are lowercase letters, and we're going to find the letter B, the B sound, in here. Okay, and when we find the B letter, we're going to color it blue. Let's have a look. Can you see the B sound? Well done. Let's color it blue. There we go. Well done. Let's look for the next one. Shall we color it blue? Fantastic job, well done. Are there any more? Let's color it blue. Well done. Fantastic job. Let's look for some more. Can you find any? No? So that's it. I think we have found the 3 B sounds. Super job. Now here we have a capital letters. We need to find the letter B here. Okay, shall we have a look? Have you spotted the letter B? Let's highlight it. Is that right? Well done. Let's look for the next. Fantastic job. Well done. Can you see any more? Yeah? Fantastic job. Well done. Are there any more? Did you say no? You're right. Well done. We found the 3 B letters. Well done. Now here we're going to look at these 3 pictures and we're going to name the pictures and to see which picture begins with a B sound. Are you ready? Let's name the pictures. Girl. Cat. Bear. Do you know which one is it? Let's have a look. So it's not the girl, because that begins with a g. What about the cat? No, it's not the cat. The cat begins with a k sound. I think it's a bear. Well done. Bear. Now we have 3 more pictures, and again we're going to find the picture that begins with a B sound. So we have zebra, jellyfish, banana. Which one is it? Let's have a look. So it's not the jellyfish. It's not the zebra. Well done. It is the banana. Fantastic job. Well done. Now here again we have 3 more pictures and we're going to find the picture that begins with a B sound. Iguana. Bee. Koala bear. Have you found the picture? Let's have a look. So it's not the koala bear. It's not the iguana. Well done. It is the bee. Bee. Super job. Now let's think about a word that starts with the B sound. So we're going to read a word that has the B sound. B, a, n, b, a, n. done. Well done. Super job. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. And you have got another sticker over here. Well done. It is an owl. Well done. Super job. Now I'm going to say bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.